Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with two essentials, an administrator account and the current Windows build. Once confirmed, save work and close applications so updates or restarts won't interrupt. Now press the Windows key or click Start, type Windows Security, and select the app. If it doesn't appear, press Windows key +I to open Settings, then search Security. You're initiating access immediately to avoid extra navigation. This first step gets you into the Security Center fast and reliably. Once inside Windows Security, use the left pane to move between modules, virus and threat protection, firewall and network protection, and more. Click Virus and Threat Protection to run a quick or full scan. Choose Scan Options to schedule deeper checks. Next, open App and Browser Control to adjust Smart Screen, which blocks unsafe apps and sites. Make sure to check device security for core isolation settings and account protection to enable Windows Hello. These steps to finish, enable automatic sample submission and real-time protection so Windows Security actively defends you. Run a final quick scan to confirm no immediate threats. If a feature is missing or unresponsive, restart the PC first. Many services reload on reboot. If problems persist, run the Windows Troubleshooter for security and maintenance, or reset the Windows Security app via Settings app's advanced options. That reset often fixes corrupted settings. If not, check your admin privileges and group policy restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.